curry chicken gyozas. Do you know about that? You don't know nothing about that. Jamie Oliver, go sit down, brother, man. Fully active. Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. Today, we have got another switch up on a Jamaican meal. Curry chicken, zoop. Today, we are doing curry chicken gyozas. Yeah, man, yard style, Japanese style today. So first of all, people, for your curry chicken gyozas, you're gonna need chicken. Obviously, I'm gonna use 2 breasts. I'm gonna chop them up. The reason why I'm using breast, I've never used breast for a curry, but I'm using this because obviously we don't want no bones inside the dumplings. Do you know what I mean? And I want to be able to chop it up smaller as well, because obviously we're gonna fit these inside the dumplings, right? Just to show you, people, how I've chopped it up into, like, do you know what I mean? Little bits like that, because once it cooks down, it'll be easy to just break up and get in the dumplings. You know what I mean? That is it. So yeah, nice and small, a little bit different. That's the only different thing we're gonna do. The same thing with the rest of the curry chicken. We're not gonna go through that today. If you wanna see how to cook curry chicken, then go back about 5 episodes prior to this, and you'll see, to show you that I really like this curry powder. This is what I use, it's a Trinidad one. Maggi seasoning today, chicken, all purpose, easy spice. Yeah, you done know your Scotch bonnet, I haven't put that out yet. Your garlic, onion, scallion, you know, the things that normal. Like check out the full curry chicken recipe. Go back prior this one. I'll try and put it at the end as well, so you can click straight onto the one at the end, back to the curry chicken to get the full recipe. That is it. So yeah, man, let's cook up some curry chicken. Do you know what I'm saying? That is the first stage. We're gonna need curry chicken for your curry chicken gyozas. Japanese yard style today. You understand? That is it. Well, again, I'm not gonna go through the recipe of cooking curry chicken, because we've done it already. But a good vibes, big up yourself, same way, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that is it. I'm gonna set up the onions in that curry powder first. Again, go back to the curry chicken episode, about 5 episodes prior to this, to see the full recipe. That. Fully active for your gyozas, people, is very simple. All you need is flour. It said all-purpose flour. I don't know the difference. I looked for all-purpose flour and there wasn't any there, so I just got plain, because that's not self-raising, or, you know what I mean? Warm water, not cold water, warm water, and you just mix that together and form a dough. Yeah, it's pretty simple for the gyozas. Japanese yard style today, isn't it? So we just want to mix the warm water in with this dough and get that formed nicely. You get me? I hope you're enjoying the regular uploads, people. If you haven't subscribed already, do the right thing. Press that like button, get the video moving, you know the thing set. Just want to mix this up to get a nice dough, and then we're going to leave it to rest for about 45 minutes. So yeah, I'll roll it into a ball, people. Just leave it like that and then just cover it, yeah? Yeah! Curry chicken's ready, people. Sit there, I don't want to overcook the breast of the chicken, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But we've got the right consistency, what we need. So, yeah, man, let's make our gyozas and see where I go on. Yes, people. So it's been like 45 minutes. So I'm just going to got my dough here. And what we want to do is we want to kind of pinch like a hole in there and pull it out like that. Yeah, like that. And well, so just so it's like kind of like at the same consistency. Do you know what I'm saying? So like what we're doing here, people, is we're just chopping them off and then rolling them out like this to make your gyozas, you know what I'm saying? That is it. I don't know why I'm rolling like this, but It just seems like I've got to be gentle with it. Look, people, I'm just chopping up the chicken a bit and letting it cool down before it goes in these gyozas. Cause otherwise, it's gonna like not burn through the something, but do you know what I mean? Yeah, that is it. People, look, I've just done these ones off camera because I was thinking, nah, I gotta do these off camera first. All right, listen, they're not the best. They're all right. They're really difficult. But we've got 2 gyozas in there. We've got 2 curry chicken gyozas. All right, I'm gonna do this one on camera now. Watching that, so let's just go right from scratch here. Got a bit here that we've taken off. Look, it's a little bit sticky, so that helps. So into a bowl. That is it. And then we roll that out like so. You watch, this will be the best one so far, people. But you know me, people, you have to get creative with food. This is my Japanese yard style gyozas. And I'm not saying they're gonna look like the best gyozas, but you know, it's the thought that counts and all that. All right, cool. So that should be flat enough. So just gonna need to make sure it's the shredded bit of chicken. All right, I'm not gonna overdo it this time. I'm not gonna overdo it. All right, so look, boom. What I kind of found was easiest, if I fold that over like that and kind of get that stuck in there, like that. And then turn that up like that. And I get it, and you kind of like go like that, and then you. People, I just run out of storage on the camera, and I was just thoughting, look. So you kind of just gotta fold it up like that. Yeah. There you go. Look at that. There is your curry chicken gyoza. Bumbleclaw! I'm proud of that, you know. Good vibes. Tell you what, people, they're not bad. They're not easy things to make. I was like, yeah, I do just chicken gyozas, and I didn't realise until I started making it, thinking, yeah, this is not an easy task. But you know what? We got there. Look at that. Curry chicken gyozas. Do you know about that? You don't know nothing about that. Jamie Oliver goes, sit down, brother, man. You don't know nothing about them thing there. Japanese yard style, you understand? Bumbleclaw. So what you know? We're gonna steam these for about 6 to 7, 8 minutes. 6 to 8 minutes. Gonna steam these for. Yeah. That is it, people. Curry chicken gyozas, look at that. I'm gonna steam them for about 8 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Cooking up some ramen in there. That'll be a different episode. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. But for now, yeah, let them go on. Yeah, it's been about 8 minutes, people. 8, 9 minutes. They're ready. Yeah, they're good to go. Curry chicken gyozas, they don't look too bad. Now they're in there like that, they don't look too bad at all. You know what I'm saying? Fully active. Mad thing, people. Curry chicken gyoza. Yeah, it actually worked as well. You know what I mean? And I think it will taste even better once you dip it in the ramen as well. We've got the curry chicken. Should we have a go, people? Should we have a go? It works. and dip it back in there. It's mad. It actually really works. Perfectly. Jamie Oliver. Tell me what to do in the comment, people. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Fully active. I swear I must be the first person that's done this. If you find it somewhere else, you see me. You don't know what the thing's yet. Magic. They was actually mad, people. I swear to you. All right, they're crazy. It's like, when you really think about it, the whole yard style element of it, okay, dumpling and curry chicken. Boiled dumpling and curry chicken, that's pretty much what it is in the end. But it's just a thinner version of it around it. Do you understand what I mean? And then on the Japanese side of things, gyozas, like what fits well in a dumpling, and like a little bit of curry chicken, you can't go wrong. I think brown stew chicken would work really well in it as well. You never know, we might do them ones as well. You see me? But yeah, I'm glad, hope you enjoyed, and yeah man, I'll see you again very, very soon. Not sure what we've got next year, but I'm sure it'll be something creative. You know what I'm saying, people? So big up yourself. If you ain't subscribed already, do the right thing and press that like button, get a video moving. That is it.